Okay, let's continue. This is question number 4. Okay, let's do this first. Okay, so we have to check whether these coordinates are vertices of isosceles triangle or not. So we'll start with making it A, B, and C. Okay. And I'm going to be doing shortcuts. Okay, so since you all will be doing shortcuts in exam also, I'll just do shortcuts so you get ideas of how it's done. So 6 root over 6 minus 5 is 1 square. 4 minus minus 2 is 6 square. Good enough. So 1 plus 36, 37. Now I'm gonna do BC. So 7 minus 6 is 1 square. Minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6 square, so which is 36 again. So we already got 37. And then just for insurance, you can literally stop here. You know it's gonna be. Oh, in exam they won't say check whether it's isosceles or not. They'll say what kind of triangle it is. So you have to even check the third side also. So 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 square is 4. Minus 2 minus, sorry, minus 2 minus minus 2. No? So it will become 0 only. Yes? So root of 4 is 2. So that's it. So two sides are equal, one side is unequal. So it is an isosceles triangle. Got it? So here is an extra question which says what type of triangle does these points form? So we don't know what kind of triangle it will be. We don't know if it's going to be in isosceles or equilateral triangle or any kind of triangle. So let's try it out. So A equal to 3, 2. All right. B equal to minus 2 minus 3, and C equal to 2, 3. Okay. Okay, so let's first find AB, the distance between AB. So we're supposed to find AB, BC, and AC also. Okay, so here 3 minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5, right? Minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. Minus 5 square root of 25 hold on. And then minus 3 minus 2 again is minus 5. So it will become 25. So you would get root 50 kind of a thing. Now let's try BC. We can literally simplify this also, but let's wait. Minus 2 minus 2 is minus 4. 4 are 16. Minus 3 is minus 9. Minus 3 minus 3 is minus 6. 6 is 36. So root 52. And then AC. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1 square is 1 only. And 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1 square is 1 only. So root 2. So if we simplify this, you will get 50 now. You can do this in your head also. I'm just showing you 5 root 2. Got it? 52. 2. Excuse me. 2 to the 4. 2 root 13. And acha. Wait. So nothing is equal, right? So first off, this is not an isosceles triangle. Secondly, this is not an equilateral triangle as well. So there's only third type is there. One more, and the like isosceles no, scalene no. It's not isosceles, it's not equilateral. So it's either going to be scalene or one more type is there. What? It is right angle. So there's two types left. One is scalene, which is nothing is equal, no special triangle, or right angle triangle. So I think this, you can literally see that it's a right angle triangle. So the longest one, of course, let's cut this one, okay, for a time. Let's just not do this. If you look only these three, one is this, one is this, one is this. So root 52 is going to be the longest one. So BC square, what the hell? BC square equal to root 52 the whole square which is 52. Now the other two shorter sides, if you square and add it up, AB square plus AC square equal to AB root 50 square plus AC is root 2 square root you cancel, we'll get 50 plus 2 is 52. So if since BC square equal to AB square plus AC square, therefore it is a right angle triangle. Why do you think it is a right angle triangle? Because it satisfies Pythagoras theorem. Yes, so that's it. Now that that's done, we're gonna skip question number 5. Okay, question number 5, I think I'll give Sir Rajesh a video, or maybe I'll make my own video, but since it requires diagrams and everything, I think so I'll try to edit something. Okay, anyway, let's do question number 6 for the time. So what type of quadrilateral is it forming? So same case, let's take A as this, B as this, C as this, and D as minus 3 0. So see, since we're talking about quadrilaterals, it's going to be four-sided figure, right? So you have to think of this, okay, A, B, C, D. It's just not about finding all the distances between the four corners. See, you try to find this out distance, you try to find this out distance, find this out, find this out. If opposite sides are equal, you have two options. One is, okay, let's just write here, write down and keep it so that you can next time revise. If opposite sides are equal, we have two options. Okay, one is that it's gonna be a rectangle, and the other one is what? That is gonna be a parallelogram. So how do you know which one is rectangle, which one is parallelogram? You have to find the diagonals as well. Got it? So it's not just about finding all four sides, you have to find the diagonal as well. So after finding the diagonal, if the diagonals are exactly the same, equal, then it is a rectangle. Got it? If opposite sides are equal and diagonals are equal, then it is a rectangle. Okay, if opposite sides are equal but diagonals are not equal, then it is a parallelogram. And then what if all the sides are equal? So if all sides are equal and diagonals are equal, it is a square, because square means all sides are equal and even the diagonals are equal for a square. But if all sides are equal but diagonals are not equal, what will it be? What is the other figure which has all sides equal? It is rhombus, right? So for rhombus, the diagonals are not same but all sides are equal. So it's like square and parallelogram is almost the same except the diagonals are different, and square and rhombus it's same except the diagonals are different. So it's either going to be 1 2 3 or 4, all from one of these from this 4, or if from the get-go when you're trying to find all three sides are different, then it's no special quadrilateral. That's it. Okay, it's very simple. So let's get started. So likewise, I said we have to find AB, BC, CD, AD. After that, we also have to find AC and BD. Okay. So let's try to find AB first. So AB, this is going to be lengthy. 1 minus 1 is minus 1 minus 1 is 2, so it becomes 2 squares 4. Like, nah. And then this also 4, which means this is root 8. Excuse me. Next BC. So minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 square is 4 again. 2 minus 0 is 2, so 2 square is 4 again. Root 8. Minus 3 minus 8, it's minus 3 minus minus 1, so minus 3 plus 1 is all, or minus 2 is all, minus 2 square of 4 is all, plus 2 minus 0 is 2, so 2 square is 4. So root 8, I think it's going to be a square. So AD minus 3 minus minus 1 will become minus 2. Minus 2 square is 4. 0 minus 2 is minus 2 square is 4 again. So root 8. So it's either going to be a square or a rhombus. Okay. So let's try if it's a rhombus or a square. So first we find AC and then we find BD. Okay. So first we find AC. AC. See, minus 1 is already here, and minus, you're going to be doing again minus 1. So which is minus 1 plus 1, it becomes 0. So it doesn't count. So 0 plus these 2. So it's like 2 minus minus 2. So it will not get cancelled. Okay, this 2. 2 minus minus 2. So plus 2 to the 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 4 are 16. So root over 16 is 4. Now BD. Minus 3. See, minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 will become 4 will be 16. And 0 is 0 is 0. So therefore it is a square. Why? Because all four sides are equal and both the diagonals are equal as well. Got it? So I hope you're learning the shortcuts very well, like how I do. Otherwise, when you do again and again and again, it'll become a habit. So you don't have to worry about it. So minus 3, 5. The thing is, you need to learn as much shortcuts as possible, because I cannot emphasize this enough that you will not get time. Seriously, it's very lengthy, the question paper. Even the ones what the CBSE has sent us, or very lengthy as it was. Anyway, let's do this. Minus 3 minus 3 is minus 6. Minus 6 square is 36. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 square is 16. So you will get 12, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 52. Next BC. BC 0 minus 3 is 3, so 3 square is 9. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 square is 4. And then next CD. Minus 1 minus 0 is minus 1. Only minus 1 square is 1. Minus 4 minus 3 becomes minus 7. Minus 7 square is 49. 50. So it's a quadrilateral. And in a quadrilateral, if three sides are already different, so no special quadrilateral. You cannot, it's not like a right angle triangle, it will extra double come. So you don't even have to find the third one. No special quadrilateral. Done. Now I kind of forgot where I wrote that last question. Wait. The last question. Oh yeah. So let's try. So A is 4, 5. B is 7, 6. C is 4, 3. And then D is 1, 2. So let's find AB first. 7, 6, okay. 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 square is 9, right? 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 3s are 9. 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 1s are 1. So root 10. Now let's try BC. 7 minus 4 is 3, 3 to the 9. 6 minus 3 is 3, 3 to the 9. See, it doesn't matter if you subtract this minus this or this minus this, like I've already told you, because we're gonna square it anyway. Okay, next ABC, BC, next CD. 4 minus 1 is 3, so 3 squared is 9. 3 minus 2 is 1, so 1 squared is 1. I think it's gonna be rectangle or parallel, who knows. AD. 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 squared is 9. 5 minus 3 is 3, 3 squared is 9. So it's either going to be rectangle or parallel. Let's see. Let's find AC, then BD, okay? 4 minus 4 is 0. 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 squared is 4. And then BD. 7 minus 1 is 6, 6 squared is 36. 6 minus 2 is 4, 4 squared is 16. So we're getting something completely different, which means this, and this are same, but then the diagonals are not same. So it means it's somewhat like this parallel. This and this is same, this and this is same, but diagonal obviously this is way longer than this one. And that's it. I hope you understood.